Back to another Zano list video. Today, I'll show you how to get private Bitcoin. So BTCX is wrapped Bitcoin on the Zano blockchain. So this basically means that your Bitcoin becomes private by default. So unlike Bitcoin, where every transaction is public, on Zano, everything is hidden. So as you can see, if I click one of these transactions here, you can see exactly the amount that is sent from and the address it receives to. So on Zano, everything is hidden. So that includes the sender, the receiver, and even the amount. So this is possible because BTCX is a confidential asset. So it inherits the same privacy as Zano itself. Transactions use things like ring signatures and stealth addresses, making them completely untraceable. And because there's no central issuer controlling BTCX, it's also censorship resistant. So that means that no one can freeze your funds or block your transactions. So obviously, Bitcoin as a blockchain cannot be frozen, but if Bitcoin's on an exchange such as Binance, it can be frozen that way. So now I'm going to show you how you can acquire BTCX very quickly. So if you head on over to freedomdollar.com, it's a private stablecoin built also on top of Zano. And as you can see, they have a DEX directly on the homepage here. And if I hit the drop down here, I can then switch to the token I want. So I'm going to be swapping FUSD into BTCX. And if you guys want to know how to get BTC, you can click buy FUSD here and you can swap into FUSD into any coin. So it could be from USDT to FUSD. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, you're going to need a Zano wallet, and you can do this through the mobile app here. So Zano mobile app is recommended. You can download it on iOS and Android. And for desktop, you're going to need both Zano wallet and the Zano extension installed, which works on Chrome and Brave as well. So once that's installed and synced, you're going to be able to connect your wallet here. And now I'm going to be swapping 20 FUSD into BTCX. And I just need to do that by clicking Get BTCX, confirm the rate here, click Confirm Swap. This is going to pop up here. And as you can see, this is my alias here. This is my wallet. So 20 FUSD to this amount in BTCX. Then I'm going to click Confirm here. And as you can see, the swap is now complete. It's that easy to get BTCX. Then if I check my wallet itself through Zano Companion, if I go to history, as you can see, I am already receiving the BTCX. And if I scroll down, you can see it right there already. If you want to get FUSD, I'll also show you how to do that. You can click buy FUSD at the top here, scroll down, and you can see the supported exchanges that FUSD is currently on, as you can see here. And you can also see the supported swapping services. So for example, if I go to Exolix, I can easily swap any coin. So for example, I could swap USDT, which is a freezable stable coin, and I could swap it directly to FUSD here. And as you can see, this is the rate I would get. So it's about a $7 fee or $6.40 fee, and then enter my receiving address here and then exchange it that way with no KYC required. And if you want to use a credit card to buy FUSD, you can go ahead and use Alchemy Pay right here. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe for more privacy-focused videos.